So, do you want to join the hundreds of patients that's made a revolutionary change in their health by doing a detox? We would love to have you in our class. We're going to walk you through how we achieve this with so many people and how we can make it easy and simple for you. I know detoxing can be very scary. I know it can be something that's very confusing, something you maybe heard myths about how hard it is, and a whole lot of other things like you're stuck in the bathroom all day. We want to walk you through it in our class and give you the great details of how you can be successful in your detox. And as once we teach you to fish, you can continue fishing. Meaning is once we teach you how to do our detox, you can continue to use that resource on a regular basis, because it is our impression, and I've done detoxing now for almost 18 years, where I do it on a regular basis and consistent basis, just like I spring clean my house, I spring clean my garden for the new and fresh to come in. I think it's really, really important. And every time I detox, I see new improvements in my health. So it's one of those things I'm going to want to teach you how to fish, how you can utilize this resource on your own so you can actually become very healthy and continue to be healthy. Because let's face it, we live in a toxic world. From the food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe, 5,000 new chemicals every year is being approved for use in the United States, which is insane. Where all those toxins end up in our bodies. I just spoke to a patient the other day about a doctor visit, and the doctor is saying they're seeing more and more liver issues, and they just think it's a common thing. Just everyone has liver issues, and the fact of it is it comes down to toxins. If you get rid of those toxins, your liver can heal, and your body can get back to where it should be, which is healthy and healing. So come to our class, learn how to make detoxing easy, and be part of our growing group of hundreds of people that have noticed revolutionary changes through a detox.